looking at the power of music and learning how it can relieve some stress you might be feeling while stuck at home. News 3 reporter Anthony SABELLA spoke with a local music therapist about some simple ways we can use music to have some quick effect. When I drove up to work this morning, I saw Anthony and his photographer set up in the parking lot. Looked like you're about to do some kind of impromptu concert. I am here for it, Anthony.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not that great. So this is free. You don't have to pay money to hear me or anything. If you were watching earlier, I talked about, music therapy. You can create your own playlist to find a way to relieve some stress. Or, as you mentioned, I busted out the keyboard. You can play an instrument, some Moonlight Sonata. That's all I can play. I don't know the rest of the song. But you might be thinking, you can't even play that? You can't sing? That's totally fine too. There are a lot of things around the house that you can use to create music, and you can create it with your family too.
Well, we all have a kitchen. So this is some things I pulled out of my kitchen last night. I call it found sound. What can you find to make sound? So, some spoons. So you can do that with a plastic bowl. Make it a game. What kind of sounds can you find in your living room? What kind of sounds can you find in your kitchen? You could play louder, softer, fast, slow, or my favorite, stop, stop, go. So green light, red light, call and response, or Simon Says. I play a rhythm, you echo my rhythm. So I go first, and then you echo what I do. But just do those kind of fun things with your family.
So the point of all that, just releasing tension, getting your brain to focus on something else maybe other than the stress that you've been feeling. We put that advice and some other advice on our website, WTKR.com. Here's some free advice, though. If you don't want to bang things, you can always just use this as a microphone in your mirror. So I think a lot of different things you can use these utensils for. So there's your free advice for you.
One of those egg
We'll
beater whisker things. That makes a good microphone, too, for the mirror.
Oh, yeah.
Just throwing it out there. Anthony,
Absolutely.
Thank you for that. Nice to get a smile before 7 a.m.